Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. PowerMTA Management Console is primarily used for monitoring your SMTP server. With this tool, you can monitor PowerMTA. It provides many features to track inbound and outbound emails, errors, and it's a virtual MTA that allows you to monitor all the IPs you've added. It shows how many emails have been received from each IP, how many had connection errors, how many domains are inside, what you've added, and their status. Look at the total here. You can see the sessions, which represent inbound and outbound traffic. This will give you accurate information on how many emails you received and what happens when. Here are the inbound and outbound statistics. Right now they're idle, so they stay inside. You can change their status and other settings from here. It shows connections, domain names, and many more details that you can monitor from here. I'll explain how to enable this. If you've used PowerMTA before, I've made two videos here. There's a complete video on installing IP rotation and PowerMTA. I've made 5 videos, including testing and how to install PowerMTA. Make sure to watch all of those videos as well. I've already installed PowerMTA on the server. I'll show you how to set it up because I've uploaded an older video of the installation process. Right now, I've installed PowerMTA temporarily. This is its IP, and I've attached this domain to it. We'll enable the management console on it. If you want to buy DPS from providers like Contabo, there's an affiliate link in the video description. You can use that link to make your purchase. Now that I'm logged in here, you only need to run one command. Before that, I'll show you the URL bar. You need to copy it and the port which will be in your config file. I'll reconnect it. And then there's the config file of your PowerMTA. See here, an HTTP port is specified. It's 1983. I'll run this for you by entering it in the URL bar, and after applying this command, I'll run it here. The same port is specified here. As you can see, right now it's not responding at all. Even in private browsing, I'll open it and show you. See, it's only taking delays. Now, after running this command here, when it gets enabled, your PowerMTA. Management console will appear here. Look, it can't connect. So now I'll copy this command and apply it here. So what's happened here is it's restarting. I'll just do this, it's reloaded. Now our PowerMTA management console should open here. Even after enabling the PowerMTA management console, there's no response here. The reason for this is that this port keeps getting disabled. It's not opening. This happens on some servers, not all. To fix this, you'll need to run an iptables command. I'll provide this in the description. If you want to enable any port here, you can do so by specifying the port number in this command. I'll copy it and paste it here, then hit enter. Okay, so this port has been enabled now, 1983, whatever port you specified, that port is now enabled. And after this you can access it. I'll go here on Advanced and proceed to. Okay, so now our PowerMTA Management Console will open. You need to run two commands, one to enable PowerMTA management, and the second command is to enable the port. You'll need to run this command. I'll provide both commands in the description, so you can use them to enable it. Once enabled, you can monitor your inbound and outbound emails, any errors, and all the mail traffic here. All the traffic, inbound and outbound, will be visible here. It's a powerful MTA, which means you can use multiple IPs one at a time. It will show you how many errors have occurred from which IP, how many emails have been sent from which IP. You'll get all this information here. So, okay, after this I've already explained the installation process. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel because I've noticed that many people don't subscribe. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel because many more videos are coming related to this topic, email marketing, WordPress, etc. Thank you for watching.